I've always been fascinated by railroad tracks. Not the trains, but the track itself. How did it get there? How does it stay here? But more importantly, where does it go? Or where could it take me? The trains are loud and long and usually interrupt me wherever I'm going. The train is about commerce, a destination with a function, providing me little inspiration. The train is mechanical parts put together to perform a function, typically motivated by monetary compensation. The tracks are fantasy and dreamland. Those tracks reflect life's mission. Where am I going? If one spike comes loose, it doesn't mean the whole track is useless, but it could lead to an unbalanced state, causing another spike to work free. One unspiked railroad tie, again, doesn't mean the total destruction of the whole, but the likelihood of going off the rails increases. This is the case in my life as well. It isn't usually a single event that sends me careening into life's ditch, but a series of seemingly unconnected little events that combined leave me disheveled and unsure of what direction I can or want to take. What is nice about the tracks, as well as life, is that with a bit of observation and maintenance, I can keep both running fairly smooth. With assurances of a smooth track, I can lift my head up and gaze down the tracks, opening myself to fantasy, to dreaming, to smiling, to hoping, and considering where it is I am going.